Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can deauthorize devices in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to deauthorize devices, then this video is for you. So guys, deauthorizing devices also means signing out of all the devices that you're currently logged into. So it's really quite easy, where with one button, you can sign out of all your devices at once. So it's very useful, so make sure you tune in. So let's get right into it. So once you open Steam, all you need to do is make sure you're logged in. As you can see, I've already logged in right here, and now all you need to do is open settings by pressing Command and comma. So I'm in settings, and now once you're here, all you need to do is go to security, which is right between family and notifications. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you can see deauthorize all devices right up the bottom. So once you tap on deauthorize devices, you would successfully be able to deauthorize all the devices. So tap on deauthorize all devices again, and in this way you can deauthorize all the devices all at once. Tap on proceed again, and there you go. That's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.